how to enable automatic delete messages on Telegram. So let's get started. So you are using your Telegram application, and every time the Telegram application takes too much storage in your device because there are so many messages that are in your Telegram application. So now you want to clear those without constantly opening your Telegram application and clearing that. You can just set a timer, and after the timer ends, your Telegram messages will be automatically deleted. You don't need to manually open up your Telegram and just do that. So to enable that feature, what you can do is just simply tap on the three bar icon which is on the top left, then tap on this option which is settings. After tapping on settings, inside your settings just head over to your privacy and security, and inside your privacy and security here you can see auto delete messages. Just tap on that, and now if you want to set a timer, what you can do is just tap on set customized time, and now you can set a timer. So you delete, so your messages will be deleted every single day or every 2 days or every 3 days. So you can set a customized timer, or you can also do it after 1 day or after 1 week or after 1 month. So it's your choice. So I'll do is 1 day and then set auto deletion. And after doing that, now it will just come back. So here you can see I've successfully turned on your auto delete messages on Telegram. So that's it guys, this is how to turn on auto delete messages on Telegram. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.